All right, so this is a wire, a battery. It comes with a battery, but there's also an charger for the Panasonic cameras and another 3 cameras. But this is the Panasonic camera that I have for this model, HCV500M. Good camera, solid, but unfortunately the format is horrible with Max, and also because it uses the this whatever it's horrible with Max. Also, low light is pretty horrible, but if you're in daylight, awesome zoom, awesome quality footage. Even the audio is not that bad. And this is the replacement battery. So it's almost the same size as the actual battery. Yeah. Actually, maybe even smaller. Okay, so this is the official battery that comes with it, as you see, Panasonic. So, yeah, they even did the design, some of the design logo. So yeah, very close in design. So it won't add that extra bulk. See, even the back, they really try their best to replicate it. So that's that. And I had gotten a similar battery pack with the charger, and it was horrible. It was beyond. The way it charges, this right here, this is the model I got, and I don't know if I did an unboxing, but this is the brand. I'm pretty sure they're still out there. I did not want to get it again. I just don't feel confident. It doesn't really charge, and like the light goes on and off like this the charging indicator. So it's like you got to put it at a certain angle. Even when you do that, it doesn't fully charge. So this is it. So this brand is DSTE. And this is the, so I do have the bigger battery, which the other one came with, and it's not bad. The battery is by Wasabi, and it's actually pretty good. The battery size is like 2-3 hours, definitely more than what the standard battery is. But again, the charging for it was horrible, and this wasn't badly priced. This was on Amazon. It even comes with a car adapter to charge. I guess put it right here. So you could charge on the go, you could charge if you have an outlet, whatever the case is. And it's for this camera, and they had other brands, other camera brands, but I'm not really sure, so I don't want to save. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I could finally get rid of the other one because it was definitely giving me a lot of problems. As I clean up here. So far, I'll definitely test it out. I'll see how it works. Actually, let me try that on now. I don't think it's charged because I didn't charge it. So, but if it does come charged, we'll see. Okay, it's almost charged. So it's not fully charged, but you can see it has 3 bars and it's 1 hour and 46 minutes. And this is just the standard battery that it comes with. So just to give you an idea, although I think this big battery is not charged, but let's see. Because I tried charging it full, and okay, so it's a full charge, which is weird, but 5 hours and 46 minutes. Now, once you hit record, there you go, 2 hours and 52 minutes. So again, not bad. The only problem was with the other one, it does charge, but sometimes it goes off, so it doesn't charge full, then you have to play with it, and you have to angle it a certain way, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video if you think it's interesting. Watch other videos on my channel. I do a lot of unboxings. I'll link some of it at the end of this video, but that's just a preview of other videos that I do. Thanks for watching.